Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the exact note and placing the cursor where the change happened. This ensures Notes targets the right edit. Once done, make sure the note has finished syncing so you're not reverting an unsaved remote change. Now perform the undo action. On Mac, press Command-Z. On iPad or iPhone, use the three-finger swipe left gesture or the on-screen undo control. You'll see text or formatting revert immediately. This is the primary way Notes tracks and reverses edits. Once you've done one undo, you can step backward through previous changes by repeating the same undo action. Each press or gesture walks the edit history one step. Make sure to avoid typing between undo attempts because new input creates a new branch and may prevent returning to earlier states. If you overshoot, immediately use redo to move forward again. This is how Notes treats a linear edit timeline, so repeating undo is the dependable way to recover deleted text or formatting. To finish, confirm the note now reads exactly as you want and then tap elsewhere to lock the change. If undo didn't work, first pause and ensure iCloud sync completed. Conflicts can block immediate reversal. If a gesture didn't register, retry with the keyboard shortcut or tap the on-screen undo button. Sometimes one method responds when another misses. If edits are still irretrievable, look for older versions or backups in iCloud or device backups as your final recovery option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.